Today, let's build a Porsche flat 6 boxer engine. It's so simple, even an 11-year-old can do it.
This will be the second ever engine that I've ever built. Wow. Look at how big the book is.
Yeah.
Super thick.
Cool.
Start taking parts out. You want to take some out and set them on your side?
Mm-hmm.
Get them all organized here. Little gears and gaskets and stuff. The exhaust system.
I'll put that one over here. I'm gonna start putting them over
The
here.
stand. And that's it.
This is a model that I'd been wanting for a while, and I finally received one as a gift for my birthday. It's a great rainy day or snowy day project for any Porsche fanatic. I'm not going to go step by step through the entire process, but I'll point out a few things that I really liked about this model. Now, first of all, it doesn't require any messy glue like all those car models that I used to build as a kid. Everything either snaps or screws together. You also don't need to paint anything. Although I do want to say that at the end I added a little bit of black paint to the exhaust tip to make it look a little bit more realistic. Speaking of the exhaust system, it was entirely missing except for the muffler from my kit when it arrived. I was pretty bummed about this, but it's one of the last things that you put on, so I didn't realize it until the end. Luckily, the company that makes the kit was super accommodating, and they sent me the missing pieces after I contacted them via their website. Really, really good service that I wasn't expecting. But that's why at the end of my video, the engine doesn't have the exhaust on it. I had to wait about an extra 2 weeks for it to arrive. It also comes with a really great instruction book that is more than just the assembly instructions. It also has all these beautiful historical photos and commentary describing the engines and the history of the company. The engine is very detailed, and it has all the components that you'd find in a real air-cooled 911 engine. You'll put in the valves and the camshafts and the rockers, and there's even little spark plugs that light up. The best part though is that once it's all together, you put in the batteries and you can actually see the engine turning over. The pistons move up and down, the valves open and close, it even illuminates each of the cylinders as it fires. It's a really cool way to help the next generation learn how an engine works. Anyway, this was a really fun project and definitely easier and less messy than building a real one. Plus, you can do it with your kids and keep them off their phones for at least a couple of hours, and that is worth it. Okay, so the model turned out pretty good, except for the exhaust pipes. We're missing the pipes that come from the exhaust manifold and connect up to the muffler here. They weren't included in my kit, so I don't know. I gotta contact the company and try to get those.